Right Track Motoring, your online showcase for everything in the world of motoring. Ford hosted a luncheon at the Ford Motor Company Design Showroom in Irvine, California for the Motor Press Guild. Erich Merkle, a U.S. sales analyst with Ford, discussed Ford's place in the midsize automotive segment. On display was a prototype of the 2013 Ford Fusion. Let's listen in on some of the comments from the presentation.
Our speaker today, Erich Merkle, he's Ford's U.S. sales analyst and is responsible for reporting and commenting on Ford sales results and market trends, both inside and outside the company. He's been in his current position since September of 2010, and before Ford, he worked as an analyst, actually an industry forecast analyst, for about a dozen years. So please welcome Erich Merkle.
When you start taking a look at a vehicle, and you start taking a look at how that vehicle might perform in the market, it really gets down to the design, both exterior and interior, the driving experience. Is it a pleasurable? Is it a rewarding experience? And the bottom line, does the vehicle engage your senses? Does it excite you? Does it make you happy? Is it something that you're proud to own? Every vehicle has to have that very engaging and emotive element, something that will draw the customer in to take a closer look at 50 yards, something that the customer is going to be able to take home and be very proud of and be able to share with your friends and colleagues at work. This is where we feel we have an opportunity with our Fusion. If you look at our Fusion, we've had very good acceptance with the Fusion when it came out in late 2005. And then you see that stair-step approach where you saw a step up there, and it came out in 2009 timeframe. You see that significant run up, and that was the mid-cycle redesign of the Fusion. So we feel very confident in what we've done with the Fusion to date, and we think that we still have more room to grow within that segment. We've actually at a point now with Fusion where we're very consistent with both Camry and Accord. So California, if we take a look at where we've had success at Ford Motor, of course it's been in pickup trucks. I think you all realize that the F-Series is the best-selling vehicle in the United States. We've also had great success in utilities. When you look at the Ford brand as a brand of utilities, it's the #1 selling brand of utility in America in 2011. And you can see that in California, over the last 3 years, we've had 3 consecutive years of share growth. Of any full-line manufacturer, no one else can make that claim. So if we look at our new products, that has been the primary driver in California. California is now our #1 selling market for Focus. What we are capturing with the 2013 Fusion is to take the midsize sedan segment, redefine it, and provide that emotive element to bring that back into the product. And as you can see, it's a very sleek design, very wide athletic stance, and a very swept fastback looking rear end. We'll have different powertrains, so you'll be able to see, for instance, the Fusion Energy, which will come shortly after launch, which is a plug-in hybrid electric vehicle, a hybrid, which is 47 miles per gallon in the city, and then we'll be powering with EcoBoost as well, with 1.6 liter EcoBoost, 37 miles per gallon on the highway, and a 2 liter EcoBoost. So, as I've said before, the market can't always be measured with the precision that most organizations would like or expect. We're very excited to be here, very excited to show off the Fusion to you today, and we thank you very much for your time. Thank you very much.
Tune in for another episode of Right Track Motoring.